Primarily the way ABS contributes is through technology and innovation. ABS spends a lot of its time around R&D and application of the rules into the new technology that supports the OSV industry. One example of that is hybrid power systems, where through the use of batteries, lithium-ion batteries and other technologies, we're making the powertrains of these OSVs much more efficient and much more environmentally friendly. ABS just recently published the Guide for Lithium-Ion Batteries, which provides rules and guidelines for promoting safety of the use of these batteries in the OSV market. All of the ABS rules and guides are available for free for download on the ABS website, www.eagle.org. ABS has always been a leader in the offshore market, and the development of wind farms is no different than the development of offshore drilling. And within the wind farm market in the U.S. especially, ABS has a very close relationship with the U.S. Coast Guard in helping the industry understand how the application of the Jones Act may impact the OSV market in the U.S. The development of specialized windmill support and installation vessels may or may not be as necessary, dependent on how and where we can use the existing OSV fleet to support the offshore wind development in the United States. So ABS is working with the Coast Guard and a number of the business players in the industry to come up with plans to address this in the future. The greatest benefit of digitization right now is the access to information and the transparency around information related to vessel condition and asset performance. ABS as a class society is keeping on the forefront by identifying opportunities to provide vessel owners and operators credit for having this greater understanding of their asset condition. A great example is the innovation around remote inspection technologies. One example there would be software and AI development that ABS is participating in relative to using artificial intelligence tools to identify corrosion and coating degradation in steel structures. So ABS has worked on a project, a feasibility study with Google Cloud and SoftServe to develop the AI tools around identification of corrosion in steel structures. And now we're moving into the next phase of that project, where we're trying to make the tool ready for prime time, shall we say, and continue to train the AI tools so that can be used to reduce the intrusiveness of surveys, reduce the amount of requirements for humans to be in the tanks to identify corrosion and therefore increase performance and safety in inspections. The key innovation recently has been the development of what we call smart tools and technologies in the design of rigs and other types of vessels. Smart tools and smart capabilities are capabilities that collect data from sensors and other means and then provide that information to the owner and the operator to enable them to make more efficient, more timely, better decisions around the operations of their assets. So ABS has finished a project working with Keppel Offshore just recently, where we've delivered the first smart rig, where the rig is actually enabled with sensors and with software and aspects of the design that contribute to tools provided to the operator to make better decisions around the operation of their unit. Definitely in the offshore industry, ABS is in the forefront of the application of smart technologies, that's correct.